Discussion about hurricane modification. Some more computer modeling has been done looking at the impact that various aerosols might have on feeder cells in growing tropical cyclones such as tropical storms and hurricanes. We learned that desert dust has a weakening effect upon hurricane development in the tropics, and it seems to be the consensus of those who are now studying the subject that natural modification, also called inadvertent modification of hurricanes, is already happening by the anthropogenic aerosols that are being pumped into the atmosphere. To say it another way, global warming is having an impact upon hurricane performance, modifying hurricanes, in some cases increasing their intensity and in other cases decreasing the intensity. There still is a recommendation that more study be done, not actually in the ocean arena, but using computer models to see what sort of an impact we might have by seeding the eye wall of a hurricane. And given the oil spill that occurred last month in the central Gulf of Mexico, there have been a number of publications that have treated the subject of. It has been proposed that one method of perhaps ameliorating the effect of a hurricane in the Gulf of Mexico would be to slicken the surface of the ocean with some substance that would cut down on the amount of water being evaporated and the amount of heat being released, thereby fueling the development of hurricane. And these writings have suggested that the oil spill may be an inadvertent, unplanned way of testing this hypothesis if and when a tropical storm does develop in the Gulf of Mexico and begin to interact with the oil residue that's floating around on the surface. It's going to be an interesting summer to see what kind of an effect, if any, this might have upon the development of a hurricane. In terms of precipitation enhancement,